You want to interactively test diagnostics and don't know how to configure CANoe for that? Then stay tuned. Hello, my name is Michael Webler and I'm responsible for the diagnostics features in CANoe and CANalyzer. To use the features of the diagnostic window, at first you need to configure the diagnostic descriptions for the ECUs you want to test. If you have not done that before, check out my previous video on this topic and configure at least one diagnostic description. You can find the link in the video description. In older CANoe versions, for each configured diagnostic description, you would get up to 3 windows: the Diagnostic Console, the Fault Memory window, and the Diagnostic Session Control. If you're using a lot of diagnostic descriptions in parallel, this can really add up to a lot of windows, making it difficult to see the wood for the trees and finding the corresponding window for each ECU. Therefore, we decided to reduce the number of windows used for the diagnostics, following the Highlander principle. There can only be one, the diagnostic window. Well, you can actually use several instances of it, each of them configured differently, but you don't have to. To configure the window, go to the ribbon Diagnostics and XCP, then Diagnostic Window and choose Configure Diagnostic Windows. Depending on how many diagnostic descriptions you configured, you will see now the corresponding diagnostic features on the right that have not yet been configured in any of the diagnostic windows. You can sort or filter the list by ECU or diagnostic feature. Then you configure them in one or more diagnostic windows by drag and drop. You can configure them in one single window, pressing Ctrl A to select them all and dropping them, like so. Or you split them by feature or by ECU, or even configure single instances of the diagnostic window for each diagnostic feature. But this is not recommended, because of the wood and the trees. To distinguish the windows, you can name each window uniquely by double-clicking on its name. Furthermore, you can configure the appearance of each diagnostic window as you like. You can dock the features on top of each other or side by side. Or you unpin them so that they are out of the way as long as you don't use them. If you need further information, it's always a good idea to look at the help. Just press F1 and search for Diagnostic Window Configuration. That's all for the basics. In the next videos, we'll use CANoe's diagnostic features step by step for interactive testing. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, subscribe to the Vector Tech channel, Tech Tutorial channel, and have a look at our other diagnostics videos. Let's take a look at the ECU control next.